Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to buy Dogecoin on a Changelly. So first you can launch up the app, and I'll just show you this example with Bitcoin, but you can do this with any crypto. You can just search for Dogecoin up here. But let's say you want to buy this crypto. You just select it and you come here, hit buy, okay? And then choose the amount first, how much you want to spend. So you can come here, change this, let's say $15 worth. Of course, you can change the currency. You'll see how much Bitcoin you'll receive, and you can choose which offers you want to use. So we'll use the topper one. That's the best, rate. Okay. Then you can choose your payment methods as well. You can pay via your cards, Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, depending on your region. And then you can move on to the next steps. Basically just go ahead and follow these, right? You can finalize the payment. That's the steps. You can, of course, choose the currency you want to spend in here. Just stick to US dollars and then move on to the next step, finalize the payment. We'll do that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.